You've probably tapped this before, but did you know this can do the same thing, plus a lot more? Let's talk NFC. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It's a short-range wireless technology. It works only when devices are just a few centimeters apart. It's not Bluetooth, there's no pairing or waiting, and no battery drain. Think of it like a digital handshake. Quick, secure, and subtle. When you want to pay for something, and you choose to use either Google Pay via Google Wallet on your Android device, or Apple Pay on your Apple device, the technology they both use is NFC. NFC uses something called a token for security. So when you tap your phone to pay, your real card number is not sent. Instead, your phone sends a one-time code. That's called a token. That token is stored securely on your phone, and it's only good for that one transaction. So even if someone intercepted it, they couldn't use it again. It's like playing with a fake card number that self-destructs after one use, James Bond style, but for your coffee run. Now let's try connect this little speaker to this mobile. You think I would use Bluetooth, which I can, but why tap and scroll through menus for a simple connection? It's as simple as touch and go. First, we're going to play some music. Right, now we switch on the little device here. And I'd like music to come out of this device. So, I touch it. Are you sure? Yes. Pair? Yes. Allow? Yes. That's connected. And there we go. Right, let's stop that. So that was pretty simple. What I needed to do though is make sure that I am touching that little N over here to the location behind the phone where the N is as well. Now you would look at your user manual to find out where that is. In this phone it's up here, but sometimes it's around about here. So it's actually quite simple to do, as I showed you, and you can use this simple power to also transfer files or share contact cards and many other things. Allow me to show you a visual chart showing you the side-by-side differences of NFC versus Bluetooth. Feel free to pause the video here. With that out of the way, here's a small analogy. NFC is like whispering a secret to someone. You've got to be right next to them and only they can hear it. Bluetooth, on the other hand, is more like shouting across the room in another language. You may think that this is already future sci-fi tech, but hang on, there are so many doors that this technology opens that may not have come to your neighborhood yet. Here are some examples I have seen. NFC-enabled product tags at your local supermarket, where you can tap a product to get real-time pricing, expiry dates, discounts, or even customer reviews. Why does this matter? Well, there's no need for apps or barcode scanners with your phone that you have to move around. Just tap and get instant info for that product. Next, there's NFC plus AI vision. Tap items into your cart as you shop. Then tap your phone at the exit. No cashier, no conveyor belts. Quick and simple. Tap to clean. Today, some of the more advanced hospitals or other healthcare and hospitality places may already use this. Basically, the cleaning staff tap their badges on an NFC spot in a room to log that cleaning was done, time-stamped and verifiable. Finally, smart posters. It may look like a regular printed poster, an advert, or a flyer, that it has a small embedded NFC tag in it. When someone taps their phone near the marked NFC spot, it triggers an action. For example, it would open a website or promotion video, show event details or schedules, offer exclusive deals, tickets, or coupons, or even add a contact to your phone. Now you know, NFC isn't just magic, it's smart tech made simple. Pay, share, pair, all with a tap. I'm George, and if you're new to this stuff, you're in the right place. If this helped, or you like this kind of quick tech breakdown, stick around for more videos like this. No pairing required, just touch to subscribe. Oh, and here's another one. Want more tech explained without the technobabble? Subscribe. It's the easiest tap you'll make today. See you soon.